Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a look at the Casio MTG-B2000 Gshock. I already did a review of the limited edition model inspired by the Rainbow Mountain in Peru, and also did a detailed tutorial on how to use and set up the watch, as they use the same module. That tutorial also covers the MRG models using the same movement, and I'll leave the link to that video in the description and in the corner of the screen. The Rainbow Mountain model was really crazy looking, while this one is much more subtle. Black with a blue steel bezel, it looks more like a traditional Gshock. Being an MTG, which is just one step under the flagship MRG, it has the same feeling of quality I experienced with the Rainbow model. Everything you touch and everything you operate is a step above regular G-steel models. Even the strap is different and the rubber used feels more premium. It comes with a sapphire crystal and is made using Casio's carbon core guard structure instead of regular resin used on normal G-Shocks, which is then protected with a steel bezel and lugs. When it comes to functions, it is loaded with the usual tech from Casio, so a 24-hour stopwatch, 24-hour countdown timer, alarm, and the very intuitive world time function with time zone swap option, which makes it perfect for frequent travelers, as not only do you change the two time zones fast and easy, but also have both time zones visible all the time. Unlike some other analog G-Shocks that use a 24-hour dial for the second time zone, making it difficult to read at a glance, this one uses a 12-hour dial for both the main and world time, and each one has a dedicated AM/PM indicator, making it impossible to mistake night for day. With solar power comes the peace of mind when using the functions, as you never have to change the battery. And to make sure the battery lasts you a lifetime, you just don't store it in complete darkness for long periods of time, like weeks or months when you're not wearing it. Being an MTG-B, where B stands for Bluetooth, it is a semi-smartwatch, which means it is my kind of smartwatch, where the phone connectivity is used only to make the use of regular watch functions easier to set up, and also used to keep the watch accurate, as it will connect to your phone to get the time, date, and time zone data. What makes me like it even more, and what makes it future-proof, is the fact it can work without connecting to your phone at all, as all the functions can be set up on the watch itself, and even the accurate time is solved by including multi-band 6 technology, where the watch will connect to one of the 6 towers in the world to update the time daily, if you choose not to pair it to your phone. Today it may seem like an overkill, but it guarantees you will be able to wear and use this watch in 10 plus years when the technology advances and regular smartwatches become incompatible with whatever we'll be using as phones in the future. As a watch to wear, it is big and bulky, but due to the shape, it actually wears pretty well, and being a G-Shock, you expect it to wear bigger. Like I said in the Rainbow review, I won't be adding this to my collection, but knowing there is an MRG with the same module offering all the same tech in an even more premium and slightly sleeker and smaller package does tickle me with the idea of getting one of those. Maybe in a year or two, we'll see. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.